Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday money moves to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a common task that might seem tricky at first: how to deposit money from your Wells Fargo account to a US bank account in 2025. With the latest updates in banking tech, this process is faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're splitting bills with a friend, paying off a loan, or just managing your finances across banks, I've got you covered in this step-by-step guide. First things first, make sure you have both your Wells Fargo and US bank accounts set up and accessible. Start by logging into your Wells Fargo mobile app or website. If you're on the app, it's super intuitive. Just tap on the Transfers or Move Money section. Pro tip for 2025. Look for the new Quick Transfer feature, which uses enhanced AI to suggest frequent recipients, making things even smoother. Next, you'll need to add your US bank account as a recipient. Click on Add External Account and enter the routing number and account number for your US bank. Double-check these details to avoid any delays. Banks are pretty strict about accuracy. Once added, select the account you want to transfer from, enter the amount, and choose when you want the transfer to happen. In 2025, most transfers are instant or take just a few minutes, thanks to improved ACH systems. Before you hit confirm, keep an eye out for any fees. Wells Fargo might charge a small fee for external transfers, and US Bank could have incoming transfer policies, so check both apps for the latest rates. After confirming, you'll get a receipt or confirmation email. Save that for your records. And just like that, you're done. The money should appear in your US bank account shortly. Remember, always monitor your accounts for security, especially with new tech features rolling out. If you run into any issues, both banks have 24/7 chat support now. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments if you have other banking questions. Stay smart with your money. See you in the next video.